never knew it hard to get. What is this on my jump? What is this? What is this, y'all boy?
Boy, if you don't get...
Alright, y'all, man. So, like I said, we are on the way. You know what I mean? Apple Watch. About to be there in like a couple of minutes, man. Better get these new tires put on the cat. It's time for some new tires, man, y'all boys. So, just listen to the wine real quick. That's the 𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, that's the 𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀, man. So yeah, so I got my Wendy's right there. Got my maple bacon croissant sandwich from Wendy's right there. Y'all boy need to try it. And I got some black lug nuts from AutoZone, man, because you know the ones on the car right now is like silver or like chrome looking from the factory. So we're just gonna black it all out, except for the wheel lock key. You know what I mean? That's the only thing that's gonna be silver. Some new black lug nuts. So until those come in, we just gonna rock with the AutoZone. You know what I mean? So probably like 4 or 5 days. So sometimes you just impatient. So you just want to get the look right now, just for the time being. But yeah, y'all boys. So yeah, so hopefully we like from stock these cars don't come with, they come with Pirellis. So we were gonna be trying a new set of tires, man, some Continental Extreme. So we better see how those hook up on the cat, because the cat with these Pirellis, all these things just slide over the place, you know what I mean? Or maybe I need to upgrade to some better Pirelli tires or something. Y'all boys just let me know, man. But yeah, we had tire choice, man. That's what we gonna go at. Them boys gonna be putting on the tires for the cat today, and hopefully they don't take too long. So I'm gonna just try to get y'all boys a cinematic clip real quick. Look at Brody. Why this nigga look? Y'all, but he just started shaking his head like coming up. Like, what's wrong? This man hating? Who this guy is? This y'all boy granddaddy? Let me know, man. Ain't my fault, man. I just need some tire change. You feel what I'm saying? Alright, y'all boys. So evidently they telling me that I can't record. So I don't know why, but that's so weird to me. That's so weird to me that I can't record. But I guess, bro. That's my first time ever hearing that. Trying to do something they ain't meant to be doing. But yeah, like I said, I got these black lug nuts right here. Got the wheel lock key. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's gonna be that. So I guess I just show y'all boy once it's done. You know, we got these type of tires on the back. I think we got 275, 35, 20s on the back. But I just rotated these just to burn those out. As y'all can see right here. I love rubber from the tire. But yeah, I just swapped those back. And plus we missing a freaking lug nut right there too. So, and yeah, we want to just change all these out. But we're just going to keep that one on there. And yeah, the cat definitely needs some new tires either way. Because we had these right here. 275, 40, 20s. So yeah, we're just going to go all the way around with the 275, 40, 20s. With the Continental Extreme. Yeah, man, that's it. So yeah, I never heard that you couldn't record, but yeah, that's new to me. But I'm gonna show y'all boy how I look after it get installed, man. So be right back. Can't bump that junk, man. I'm about to sneak and record this dude, man. Look, we got the same dude that been shaking his head, getting the cat, man. But tell me I can't record. What's wrong with them boy? They must don't know who I am. You should have seen them boy face. I should have my meta glasses on. Talking about I can't record. Man. I'm recording, man. So y'all boy, I'm gonna just try to sneak and record this real quick. You know what I mean? Gotta sneak and record this real quick. So y'all boy lay low. Look, yeah, boy, like this got rubber stuck. I gotta cut this. Shit. It's like stuck up on the axle and all. Yeah, like they couldn't even take this junk off from me. It would have been way easier. When the tire was off. I just seen this when it got done. Oh, this junk is stuck. I can't really see underneath it, I'm just pulling. But this is what happens when you do donuts and stuff. Fair enough. There's only one of me, y'all boy, but it's the chair right here. Damn. I just cut that junk. Yeah, this for burning out, man. If y'all don't get wrapped up in the suspension, man, that's a no-brainer. But yeah, the tire just got done. I'ma just let y'all boys see it. I know them boy ain't let me record them boy putting the tires on the car, but either way, it's all right, man. But as y'all can tell, as y'all can see, we got the Continental Extreme tires on the Hellcat, man. We got 275, 40, 20. You know what I mean? If y'all got Hellcats and Scat Packs, make sure y'all got ZR, bro. Just make sure the tires are ZR. Like, let's go for these type of cars, man. So yeah, we got 275, 40, 20s up there in the front, and we got 275, 40, 20s in the back. And overall, like, this junk look nasty. Not gonna lie, man. Not gonna lie, man. So yeah, if y'all enjoy videos like this, if you want saying, I know this is like a kind of quick little video, but if y'all enjoy videos like this, man, make sure boy like, comment, subscribe. You know what I mean? We had 20K subs, and y'all boy, you know what I mean? Continue staying with the channel. Continue staying with the channel, y'all boy. If you want to say, we still got a lot for the Hellcat. I know we've been saying it for a little minute now, but y'all just please stay with us. I'm trying to tell y'all boy not gonna regret. Y'all boy not gonna regret, man. I'm telling y'all, man. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up, man. If y'all got any more mod ideas we should do to the cat, we need these tires, so that's just a no-brainer right there. But if y'all got anything else that we can do to the cat while we can, let us know in the comment section below. And yeah, it's the HemiTwinz, and we are out.